Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce sugar cravings with sugar-free Haribo, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce sugar cravings, start by understanding the causes of these cravings. Cravings often stem from a variety of factors, including physiological and psychological triggers. Identifying your specific triggers can help you manage them more effectively. Next, consider incorporating sugar-free Haribo into your diet. These gummy candies can satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar. Choose flavors that you enjoy to make the experience more delightful. Read the nutrition label to ensure you are informed about the ingredients. Now, set a limit for yourself. Decide how many pieces you will have in one sitting to prevent overeating.
Keep a pack handy for moments when cravings strike. Stay mindful when eating. Focus on the taste and texture to enhance your satisfaction. Pair sugar-free Haribo with healthy snacks for a balanced approach. Combine them with nuts, fruits, or yogurt for added nutrition.
Stay hydrated throughout the day. Sometimes, cravings are mistaken for thirst. Drink plenty of water to help curb unwanted cravings. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise can reduce stress and improve your mood, helping to manage cravings. Consider keeping a food journal. Tracking what you eat and your cravings can reveal patterns. This awareness can empower you to make healthier choices. Ensure you're getting enough sleep each night. Lack of sleep can increase cravings for sugary foods. Lastly, practice stress management techniques. Meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help you cope with stress. By implementing these strategies, you can reduce sugar cravings effectively. Sugar-free Haribo can be a satisfying part of that journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.